Hello everyone, Audio Man here, and we had a little issue here with our toilet. This is a simple fix. The flapper valve had broken at the hinge area right here, and so we decided, and you can look inside here, it was really easy to take off. All you do is, just so you kind of know, you pop it off here at these hinges, and then you disconnect, you take this chain off from the handle. Okay, so I had to match the same one. This particular one that we have is a 3-inch flapper valve, and I went to the local hardware store and got the replacement one. Okay, and I got it pre-opened here, that way I can show you quickly. Now, the one thing that I did notice, right here, we have this set at number 8 from whoever originally installed the toilet. So I went ahead and did the same setting on here. All you do is you kind of just pull it, lift it, and put it in place. So there we are at number 8. And of course, just in case it's the first time you've ever done anything like this, you want to make sure you shut off your water going to your toilet with your shutoff valve. So I already did that. That's why the water's not running. Okay, and all I'm going to do is put in this new valve. Should be pretty quick. Put it in there. Snap on the hinges. It's already snapped on. Take the chain. Let's see here. Just making sure that it's the right length here. Take the chain, snap it onto the handle. Okay. Okay, looks like it's working good. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put the water back in, let it fill up. And the reason we noticed this thing was given a problem is because we kept hearing it draining. And we're like, what's that? Why does it keep draining? And then I got inspecting it, and that's when I saw that hinge was broken. Now, this particular one is a Fluid Master replacement, but they do have like a generic brand too, in case you don't want to get the name brand. But I figured I better get the name brand. My original one was a Fluid Master Model 540. Oh, and it cost about $12 around that to buy it. $12, $13. All right. As soon as this fills up, we'll test it out. Make sure it's not leaking. I don't hear any water leaking. All right, let's try it out. Awesome. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope that helped you. And tune in for next time, and make sure you subscribe and like the channel. And I always appreciate you guys watching the videos. Catch you later.